Okay guys, so hello and welcome back to Gamers Planet for you. And today I'm going to be making a tutorial video on how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, guys. A few people have asked me to do this and I thought, why not do it today? So the first thing you guys need to do is type in pixlr.com. That's pixlr.com, guys, and press enter, and you will go to this website, guys. It's a thumbnail making website I use. I personally just like it because it's not too hard to use. Honestly, advanced or playful Pixlr, I do either one. I just like the sound of playful more, so I use that. And you guys can see I have actually made a few thumbnails for my videos. But for the sake of this video, history, underneath that, go to create new. Over here, create new. Okay guys, so full HD is the standard 1080p, which is 1920 pixels times 1080 pixels. But usually when I make thumbnails at this resolution, they exceed the 2 megabytes maximum for YouTube. So instead, go to 1280 pixels for the width and 720 pixels for the height. This is 720p, the standard 720p that you'd use for a lot of things. I'll name this thumbnail tutorial. Of course, you don't have to name it if you don't want to, because you can name it later when you're downloading it. And I'm just gonna press create, guys. So I have made this 720p thumbnail. The first thing I'm gonna do is probably get a background picture, guys. So maybe something simple to write my text on, like a white background. So all you guys need to do is go to Google, search out white background, and yeah, 720p is the one we're using. So I'll just go to one of them, guys. Save image as, that's fine. And then guys, perfect. Now all we need to do is go back into here, add image, browse, select the file from your computer, guys. And add current, guys. So perfect. Now we have this, and because it's 720p picture, we can move it around until it fits perfectly. Just close this. And how to know if it's 720p, guys, is when you hover over the image in the bottom left, it'll show you the resolution. So this is good, guys. We have this. Now, text. Add new text. I use American caption for everything, guys, because it just looks so nice. Color, I'm going to change that to black so that it's easier to read over the white. And yeah, I can make the size what I want. It always puts like motivational sentences here. To live will be an awfully big adventure. You just put stuff there, guys. Highlight it and change it to whatever you want. How to make a YouTube thumbnail. 2020 would be good. I honestly like when, okay, so make these blue things go all the way to the side of your screen. Perfect, guys. So now we have text at the top of the screen. But I'm going to increase the size. And now that we've increased the size, it goes onto 2 layers, which is fine. Yeah, guys, the next thing I'm going to do is maybe add a descriptive word. How to make a YouTube thumbnail 2020 is a bit plain, so how to make a vibrant, maybe attractive, catchy thumbnail. How to make, I'm just going to use vibrant. Perfect, guys. How to make a vibrant YouTube thumbnail 2020. Now, I'm going to search up arrow. Images, okay. Transparent arrow, guys. It's the first keyword that comes up. And I'm looking for an arrow that in this direction, guys. I'm looking for that kind of arrow. So I'm honestly just gonna pick a good one. And it doesn't even really matter, guys, because I can probably rotate it. So I'll choose this one, save image as an arrow. And then the next thing I want to do, guys, is go to Pixlr. And after that, what you need to do is the image, browse once again, and find the arrow you actually saved onto your computer. So that would be right here for me. Add current. And perfect, guys, we have it here. Oh, guys, sometimes it does this, and yeah, it's not really transparent. So honestly, guys, what I'm gonna do now is, there's a website I really like using, guys, lunapic.com. And after you're there, guys, go to edit. Transparent background is the last option. Choose file. I'm just going to choose the one I saved onto my computer, the arrow. And perfect. So guys, you just click the color you want to become actually transparent. So I'll click this gray, and I'll click the white. Wait. Okay. You know what would actually be a lot better, guys? If we just got a plain arrow like this one, guys. So save image as the arrow, go back to Lunapic, and after that, guys, you go to edit, transparent background, and now what I need to do is go back to edit, guys. Honestly, okay, yeah, go back to transparent background, and now I need to make this go away. So close image, upload a new image to transparent background. Perfect, guys. So I need to get the arrow that I just got, so I'm gonna select that one. Actually, guys, I'm pretty sure that's this one. Yes. So click that color, and perfect, guys, we have it. Apply. And then, guys, you just need to save it after you've done that. And yeah, go back to Pixlr, browse, get that new arrow. Actually, I think you can even drag and drop. Yes, you can. And perfect, guys. Now I'm just gonna rotate it till it's pointing in the direction I like. This is not bad, guys. So we can have the arrow like that, and then because there's an arrow, guys, I can just put a thumbnail that I made previously. So I'll quickly get that. Add current, and because it's too big, guys, obviously I'm gonna shrink it down to the right size. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much what we gotta do for now. But this is blending in with this, and it looks just a little confusing. So I'm actually gonna take a different background. Yeah, guys, what I'm going to do is type in nice background 720p, and it'll show you a bunch, guys. I'm honestly just gonna pick one that I like, one that doesn't have too much black color, because we already have that for our text. This would be pretty easy to read over, guys, and it's 720p, as you can see down here. Save image as, I'm gonna go back to Pixlr, and this, guys, we can just completely delete that. Browse and go to the image you just got, guys. Perfect. Now, guys, because it's over all of the other stuff, what we want to do is right here, drag it down. And as you can see, every layer I drag down, more stuff appears. So that's honestly pretty good, guys. So guys, yeah, pretty much this is what we've done. I did do a tutorial on how to redeem RoBlOx gift cards. How to make a vibrant YouTube thumbnail 2020, guys. It's a pretty good thumbnail. And yeah, maybe if I want to pick a different one that looks more of a YouTube video thumbnail like this. It's 1280 times 800. That's nearly 720p, guys. So we're just gonna save it and use that instead. Go back here. And once again, guys, you can delete this one if you want to change. Browse, select the one you already got, add current, and there you go, guys. Now what you want to do is go up here to arrange, unselect lock aspect. Now, guys, you're free to drag it however you want. Now try to align this to the corners of your thumbnail making. And that's pretty good, guys. Honestly, even if I wanted, I wouldn't even have to align it. Just after you've unselected lock aspect, type in 1280 times 720 and perfect, guys. Now what we need to do is drag it down. Every layer we drag down, something else appears. And guys, now it's a bit hard to read over this, so I'm gonna change this to white text. All you need to do, guys, is select the layer that has the text, go down to the text option, and change the color to whatever you like, guys. I think white is easier to read over with this background, and yeah, this isn't a bad thumbnail. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already, guys. That would be great to show support, and I would really appreciate that. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye. Before I leave, guys, of course I gotta save it. PNG, 720p. And I'll see you guys all next time. This is where you can change the thing, like the name you want it to be. Bye. See you guys all next time on Gamers Planet for You.